I'm here to help you break out of the confines of your team managed project and into the greater wide world of customized workflows and configurations shared across many projects to help contain your Jira bloat. To convert a convert a team managed project to a company managed project, you're going to need to analyze any customized fields, replicate those customized fields inside of your company managed project, create a backup of your team managed issues, create that company managed project, and move and match those issues over. Let's look at the requirements. First, you're going to need to be a Jira admin because you're going to need the Jira admin power to be able to create that company managed project and create those customized fields. Let's look at some limitations. Limitations are you can only move 1,000 issues at a time. So if you have greater than 1,000 issues, you're going to need to be able to do that into bulk move transfers, which means you're going to need to write some JQLs to maintain that parent and child relationship. Let's dig in and look at that. I have my team managed project right here in new teams title. And in here, I have some issues populated based on the epic of planets. So I'm going to need to go and look at the project summary in order to see if I have any customized fields that are here. So let's go and look at my project settings. And I'm going to go over to my issue types. With each of my issue types, I'm going to go and take a note of any customized fields that are across those issue types. So in my epic, and I happen to know that in this particular case, I made a customized issue inside of my tasks, and I have moons. Well, now I have to go and take note of that and make sure that I know where that issue type is and what customized field I'm going to go have to create. Now I'm going to go and create my new company managed project. I'm going to choose software development. And for this particular example, I'm going to choose a Kanban. I'm going to use a template and company managed selection. I'm going to call this my solar system project. And here I am in my solar system project. Now I have to go and create that customized field. So let me go into my issues underneath my Jira admin cog, and I'm going to go find my customized fields. I'm going to hit create customized field. And now I happen to know that moons is a number field custom field. So I'm going to go create that moons. But I'm not done yet. I'm going to have to go and put that onto an issue screen. So I'm going to go look for my issue screen of my company managed project. Oh, I didn't find it. An easy way to go and find my customized screen is to go into my company managed project. I'm going to go to project settings. This is one of my favorite ways to actually navigate, is to go into the exact project I need, use the summary, and now I can go and look at my screens for that. Here's my screens. I'm going to use my default screen because I happen to think that that's the one where my task is going to relate it to. I'm going to go ahead and click on the default screen. And I'm going to add that customized field that I just created. And there it is. Now I'm going to move it on up a little bit higher because that's where I want to see it. I want to see all the moons that are related to a particular planet. Now we're going to go and dig out those issues and make sure that we move them over. So I'm going to go back to my team managed project, and here is my title, and here's my issues again. So here's all my issues. If I take a look at my team managed project, I can see that there are greater issues than were just on my board. So I'm going to go and take a look at all of my issues here. You can do this another way by creating a filter or viewing all issues and then selecting the project in which you are particularly interested in to see all of those issues in particular. So this would be another good way. My next move is to make a bulk issue move. So I have selected all of my issues, all 10 of them, just so we can see that. I'm going to go and I'm going to go and do a bulk move change. But first, maybe I should grab a CSV of all of these issues. So I'm going to go back to my title. I'm going to take my list. all my issues. Make sure I get them all. I'm going to go to more. Oh. Well, let's go back to my filters. This might work a little bit better. View all issues. I'm going to take the project. I've gotten everything. I want to download these into a CSV. So I'm going to export these. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to be able to make sure I have a backup of all of these just in case something goes wrong. I'm making sure that I've got a reference material. Now that I've done a download, I can do a bulk move because remember, I've created that company managed project. So now it is time to bulk change all 10 issues over to that company managed project, making sure to hit the top here. Now I've selected all of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move issues. I'm going to tell them the company managed project I want it to go to, which is solar system. Its tasks are going to go into tasks. And I'm going to go through all of my different issue types and I'm going to make sure I match them one for one. Subtasks will go to subtasks. Now I need to select what status that they're going to land in. So I'm going to have my in progress go to in progress, my done go to done, and my to do go to the backlog. All fields will be retained. I'm just making sure that the status will land in the backlog unless there was another status that you wanted it to land into. And now for my all, I'm going to hit next and confirm. And I'm migrating all 10 issues over to my new project. It's going to just take a moment. Done. And now I can go look in my solar system project and find my issues. I've been Erin Moore with a Valiantys company. If you need to have any work done on your team managed projects over to company managed projects, please reach out to us. Thank you.